Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
This guide shows how to stop a YouTube cast session on common devices. You will learn to disconnect from TV casting using the app, browser, or system settings. Follow step actions for Android, iPhone, Chrome browser, and Chromecast devices. Start by opening the YouTube app or the YouTube Com tab in Chrome. Look for the cast icon and tap it to view current connections and options. If you do not see the icon, check network and restart the app for 30 seconds. On Android or iPhone, open the YouTube app and sign into the same account. Tap the cast icon in the upper right or within video controls to see devices. Select your current device and choose Disconnect to stop casting immediately. You can also force stop the app in settings or toggle Wi-Fi off for 30 seconds. If casting persists, reboot your phone and the target device, then retry the steps. Keep both devices on the same network and update apps to prevent. On Chrome desktop, open YouTube Com and click the cast icon in the player controls. Choose Stop Casting or select the specific Chromecast device and click Disconnect. For Chromecast hardware, open the Google Home app to inspect device status and sessions. Use Reboot, check firmware updates, or factory reset when a device will not disconnect. If problems continue, verify that devices use the same network and router settings. Allow multicast. Contact your router manufacturer or Google support if network.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.